Hello, everyone. This is Tonya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, with an overview of the new Fintoch platform. Before we get started, I just want to share with you that I am not a registered financial advisor. The information that I am sharing with you is for you to vet on your own and for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do recognize, and we recognize that many people have been in this crypto space and they've seen projects come and go. And so the first thing that we wanted to do is provide you with some of the information from third parties who have vetted this platform, looked at the viability of the technology and the useful case, and determined that it was something that was a must see and a must participate in. One such article, and I will share the links to all of these articles in the comments underneath, or excuse me, in the bottom of this YouTube video. One such article is on Binance Feed, and it was put together by CoinQ. CoinQ is an industry leader when it comes to talking about digital currency and blockchain technology, helping people navigate this space to find out what's real, what's not, because again, so many projects have come and gone. What was stated in this article that was of note is the fact that Fintoch, this new peer-to-peer lending platform, helps investors mitigate their risk by putting stop losses, automatic stop losses in place when a borrower is using the funds. And that really puts the investor in a position to be at risk or free of any risk from loss. So that was great. I'll attach the link to this article right below. Another great article on MarketWatch talking about Fintoch and being an industry leader when it comes to this Web3 technology. They were celebrated in March of 2023, again in Hong Kong, celebrated as one of the top 10 in Web3 technology innovation. This article will be below. Again, we wanted to share with you multiple sources that are talking about the technology, what's going on with Fintoch, and why it is something to participate in. What is Fintoch? Fintoch is a peer-to-peer blockchain finance company, and it's innovating the way that blockchain financing will take place. There are tons of other DeFi lending platforms out there. Fintoch just took it to the next level when it comes to their technology and mitigating the risk for the investors. Here's another article that will be in the links below. Fintoch is a decentralized wallet. So unlike your Coinbase wallets or your CoinZoom wallets or anything else, Binance, that you have, those are centralized wallets where you have to upload your ID and get them verified through the KYC process with whoever that wallet provider is. Well, Fintoch is a DeFi wallet. You are in control of your coins. You can actually set it up, have your secret key available on Fintoch, and then enter that secret key into any other DeFi wallet and see your wallet there as well. So it's truly decentralized. There is no need to have your ID uploaded. And as you can see, excuse me, there's a QR code here. Do not use this one. Get back with the person that referred you to this video, and they will give you a QR code to download your own app to make sure that you have the most up-to-date one. Do not try to find one on the App Store right now. You want to make sure you have the most up-to-date wallet. And if you happened upon this video on the internet, I will have my link below for you to use. How does this work? How does this DeFi lending platform work? Here you are over here. If you're following my cursor on the left, you're the lender. You are able to use the Fintoch platform to lend funds to anyone else who wants to borrow. These borrowers are using this multi-signature smart technology to borrow funds. And inside of here, We have the borrower over here. That borrower is going to use these funds to trade crypto and Forex on the blockchain. And so they are paying 2% a day to borrow these funds. We, as the investor, earn half of that. So whatever money you put up for them to borrow, you will earn 1% on that money. This is all controlled through a multi-signature smart contract on the blockchain, guys. It's phenomenal. What does this look like? How are you able to, as an investor, mitigate your risk? What has Fintoch put in place? This is what is groundbreaking. Fintoch has put in place a system where the borrower is borrowing the funds. Let's say, for example, they're borrowing $10,000. They have to put up in USDT, they have to put up a $5,000 deposit in USDT in order to have access to the $10,000 in USDT. So 50% is put down as collateral. They will then be able to go and trade on the market using the three following platforms: PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and SunSwap. And the smart contract will be monitoring those platforms to make sure that that borrower's profits never go, or their wallet never loses more than 30%. Once it gets to 30%, that contract cuts off and you are protected. Why? Because they put down a 50% deposit of $5,000, but their account, once it got down to $7,000, that contract is cut off. They are no longer allowed to trade using this platform ever again. So it protects you as the investor because 50% was put down as a deposit. They can never lose more than 30%. All right. And so if that happens, then Fintoch and the investor, they have a portfolio balance now of $1,200. The borrower does not have access to anything else, not the $7,000 that's left in the account or the $5,000 that they put down as a deposit. That is forfeited. If that borrower, on the other hand, tends to trade and do well, they can continue to borrow because these contracts last for 7 days. So as they're borrowing, they're paying 2% a day. Half of that is coming to us as a profit, as investors. Or they can do a 1-day contract. On those 1-day contracts, they pay 2.5%. Here's what it looks like. Here is the wallet that you will see as an investor. It's showing the multiple contracts that you can have available at any one time. And then here is what the borrower sees. It's showing they borrowed $10,000. They put down 50%. It's a 7-day contract. And their investment channel that they're using to make their trades is PancakeSwap. Here is what the PancakeSwap app will look like. The blockchain technology and the smart contract will tie these three platforms together and monitor the trades on PancakeSwap to make sure that your funds are protected and they never lose more than 30% of the loan, and to make sure that when they do well, your profits are taken out and you are able to earn money. Guys, this is significant because on PancakeSwap alone, each day, there's anywhere from 100 million to over $20 billion being traded in volume. That gives us a lot of wiggle room, a lot of play for people who are interested in using Robert Kiyosaki's theory of using someone else's money to make money. Because if they're only paying 2% a day, but they're able to use that money and earn upwards of 10%, 30%, 100% on that money per day, it's a smart business move for them. Here are some of the other DeFi platforms that if you wanted to use your secret key from your Fintoch app and plug it into any other DeFi app, you would be able to do so and have access to your funds on different apps, be able to withdraw your funds from different apps. So this is truly a DeFi platform. Here are some of the other coins that will be available on, or are available on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and SunSwap. These coins currently are pennies on the dollar, so there's a lot of profit to be made on these coins in the future. A lot of potential profit. And 2022, there was a hackathon, and this article is on Yahoo. I will post the link below, where the minds behind Fintoch got together and got with the best and brightest in the blockchain space and looked at the technology and the developments that Fintoch has put together. And it was something that was a absolute success, and I would say helped with the launch of Fintoch in the United States. Some upcoming projects that you can look forward to whenever you're looking at a coin in its useful case, you look at what is out there, what's possible, how can it be used? Well, here are some of the other platforms that are being developed on this technology. So it won't just be lending, you'll have a whole ecosystem that you can participate in should you choose, from payment systems to GameFi systems to a decentralized exchange. Look at your money. Figure out for yourself, if you want to participate and earn 1% a day, what that could look like, what kind of returns you could experience. So if you're looking at $1,000 as what you have free and available to risk, I tell everyone, never invest anything more than you can afford to lose, right? And you put together your plan and execute your plan. So with $1,000, if it doubled in just 63 days, that's an extra $1,000. At the end of the year, you're looking at a 64x return. With $3,000 at the end of your year, you're looking at $192,000. So the big thing is that your money doubles every 63 days. How does that happen, Tonya, if I'm only getting 1% a day? That's a great question. So the 1% a day, if that was the only thing that we got, our money would double in 100 days, right? Well, what happens is once you have, let's say, the $10,000 that you put up as an investment, and that 10%, that 1% on $10,000 is $100 a day. Let's say after day 2, you have $200 sitting over here as your earnings. That is going to be in a pot that's your earnings pot. Well, what Fintoch is also doing is the money in your earnings pot, they will give you an extra 1.5% on those funds. That is what allows you, and that's compounding. That's what allows your account to double in 63 days instead of waiting a full 100 days. Again, look at your risk model, look at how much you want to double in the next 63 days or in the next 12 months, and move forward from there. This is truly optional, but it's what all of the financial platforms are offering. Centak also offers a referral platform. If you refer someone to CoinZoom, Coinbase, Cash App, any financial platform, they are going to give you a referral fee. Fintoch just happens to have an aggressive referral fee. For anyone that you refer on your first level or directly using your direct referral link, they will get their 1% each day, but you will earn 15% of that. In this example, a person started with $10,000, they're earning 1% a day or $100, you will earn 15% of that or $15. If they indeed refer someone else, that's going to be on your second level. You will earn 10% of whatever their profits is. So if they have $10,000, they're earning $100 a day, you will earn 10% of that or an extra $10. So the combination of just those two levels could be an extra $25. Guys, we have people who in less than 2 weeks have doubled their accounts because of their referrals. So they're not waiting 63 days on their funds to double. It's happening much faster. We are at day 22 and accounts have actually quadrupled in this time frame, again, because people know other people who are interested in this DeFi space and have referred them to the platform. If you are someone who's a builder, again, completely optional. We have a large majority of people that just have money in the account for themselves. But if you are a builder, someone who knows other people and has a large network of people interested in the DeFi space, well, there's extra income out there available for you. If you refer to 5 people directly with your referral link, and the combination of their investments equals $50,000, then you hit the rank of GM. At GM, you now earn 20% of the profits of everyone in the organization. So that on average with just 50,000 in volume is going to be about $100 a day. The next rank after that is VP. And so far in 22 days since our launch of this platform, we have over 29 GMs in our organization. The next level is VP. VP means that you have two people in two separate lines of business who have hit the GM level. At this point, there's $150,000 total in volume. Your average daily income is going to be anywhere from $150 a day to $300 a day. But our GMs using our systems, using our structures are earning upwards of $900 a day. Okay. And so we have a foolproof system put together. Our senior vice president in our organization, the first one in the company, in the history of the company, to do it in 10 days, is earning over $3,000 a day. And as you see, their average is anywhere from $600 to $1,500 a day. And the top level is MD, where those people are earning anywhere from $13,000 to $30,000 a day. So if you're looking for a business model in the blockchain space, in the DeFi space, this is a solid business model that you can take a look at and run it like a true business. Okay, this just states that if you refer someone, they go out there and they're very aggressive, you hit the GM rank, they come behind you and hit the GM rank, you will no longer receive the extra 20% on that downline income because you guys are both at the same level. There's only 100 pennies in a dollar. You can't double pay that same money to someone. So this just explains you have 7 days to catch up and get to another level, or that income goes away. They can't pay it out twice. The company's current structure, there will be a STO offering, and the current structure of the company is 30% is owned by investors like myself, 52% owned by the executive team of Fintoch, and 18% by the royal family that invested a lot of money into this platform to help with the technology and development of the platform. There's a goal for Fintoch to hit the NASDAQ as an IPO by 2025. They would like to have at that time 100 million subscribers and $10 billion in market cap. Where are we right now? They had a goal by 2023, this year, to reach 10 million subscribers. We have surpassed that. We're at over 13 million subscribers in Fintoch to date. Most of those subscribers are from the Asian countries and from India. We are fresh in the US, Europe, Africa. We have not even scratched the surface. And so there's a lot of opportunity and bandwidth here if you want to get in and be one of the first to the marketplace to just have your money making money for you, or introduce this platform to others and build it out so that you can have this as an investment model as well as a business model. Here are some upcoming events. We just had a massive event in Dubai. There is an event coming up in June in Tokyo, Singapore in July, Lagos, Nigeria in August, South Africa in September, Nairobi, Kenya in October, and 2024 is already slated out. I dare say that based on what we are doing here in the United States and the records that we're breaking, they will be sliding us in here somewhere very soon. So guys, you have an opportunity to get out to any of these events that you want to, but more importantly, put yourself in a position that you're earning a massive amount of income. And when you get there, you're taking a large group of people with you who can catch fire, catch the vision, and make a successful business out of this Fintoch platform. If you were referred to this video, again, make sure you get back to the person that referred you so that you can get their up-to-date referral link. If you happened upon this on the internet, I will put my referral link below, as well as instructions on how to get started.